This is my app FarmSmart AI, which is an intelligent farming companion which is powered by real-time data and AI, which is for our Indian farmers. Let's enter. This is my multilingual chatbot Kisan Sathi AI, which right now has 3 languages and I will be adding more in the future. Scrolling down, this is the NDVI index for crop health based on real satellite data from Modest Terra, NASA. This app currently supports features like the crop suggestions based on location, soil and irrigation insights, real-time weather updates, crop health using satellite data, AI-powered disease detection, and also the market future scope. App gives AI-powered market insights to predict crop demand, pricing trends, and better selling opportunities. App gives data to verified government schemes with eligibility guidance. This is my app, FarmSmart AI, as you can see here. I have used vibe coding to create this app using a vibe coder tool named Lovable.dev, as you can see here. These are all the prompts that I have given to enhance each version of this app, to change the UI and etc. And I have also given the API and the secret keys through this window. This is the live preview of the app, and here we can access the code. This Lovable was my front end, and my backend and my database is supabase.com, as you can see here. This is my project FarmSmart AI. I have also integrated GitHub to make any changes in the code. This is the console log of my Google Cloud account, as you can see here. I'm in my project FarmSmart AI, and so let's go to the API and services button. You can see here I have the direct API access to the Google Earth Engine API, and 43 requests have already been made. This is the service account that I have created for FarmSmart AI app. So this is the Google Earth Engine API by Google, and this is a public API which is enabled. And this is currently for non-commercial use. I have the access as a non-commercial user. As you can see, this is the feedback form that I've created, and I've got various responses. And this is from different roles of different people, as you can see, a farmer, educator, student, and others. And mostly, they found the real-time weather data forecasts as the most useful feature in the app. And many of them found it very trustworthy. As you can see, it's 9.5 rating. That's amazing. Actually, majority of the people, as you can see, they believe that this FarmSmart AI has the potential to significantly increase the crop yield for farmers, which is amazing. The Earthshot Prize winner, Kheti Foundation. I am fortunate enough to get feedback from co-founder Ayush Sharma, and based on his feedback, I am working to enhance my project and collaborate with them for better understanding. Right now, our app enables smart predictions, increasing yield and profit. We are building on future scope of partnership with Kheti Foundation and other NGOs, leading to expert guidance for direct marketplace ecosystem. FarmSmart AI impacts better yield, less loss, higher income for farmers, and smarter daily decisions. This will lead to Zero Hunger SDG 2 and Innovation in Farming SDG 9. This is not just an app, it is a smarter future for farmers.